Beside me is the KitchenAid quad door refrigerator. Today we're going to show you how to turn on or off the ice maker and also how to reset the ice maker. So the ice maker is in the lower left freezer compartment. To get to the on-off switch, we're going to go ahead and remove the ice bin and the two drawers. First, we're going to come in and turn on the ice maker with the power switch on the bottom. If you do not have ice in 24 hours, you may need to reset your ice maker. Before you reset your ice maker, it's always a good idea to place one of the lower drawers in and put a towel down to catch any ice or water that may eject from the tray. We're going to go ahead and do a power cycle. We'll turn it off for a few seconds and we'll turn it back on. Then using the pencil eraser, we're going to go ahead, we're going to push and hold the reset button. Now when we do that, the bail arm will come down. The ice tray will try to dump ice. It'll return back to home position, and once it's in home position, the water valve will turn on twice and fill the ice maker. You should see and hear water filling the ice tray. At this point, the reset is complete on your ice maker, and you should have ice in 24 hours. If you do not, go ahead and call and schedule for service.